welcome back guys. For today's video we're going to be making some Cornish hen and rice. Here are some of our ingredients that we're going to be using. I have here our natural premium Cornish hen. I also have some onion that you'll see me putting in our crock pot, some chicken broth, or you can use beef broth, the rice, cream of chicken soup, you will need this as well, or you can use mushroom soup, whatever cream of soup of your choice. You're going to need your crock pot or your slow cooker, some of the seasonings. These are the healthier seasonings, the Oh My Spice seasonings, or if you like me and you want to spruce it up, you can add some of these basic ingredients, which include just a little paprika, garlic powder, a little cayenne and pepper, oregano, and a little Italian seasoning, and butter, and then you'll use your rice packet, so stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing that you want to start with guys is the cream of chicken soup. We're going to go ahead and add that in. Guys, next we're going to add in the rest of those ingredients, which includes the chicken broth here, okay. Next you're going to go ahead and add in your onions, and then your rice. Again, we're using instant rice. Alright, and next you can go ahead and start with your herbs and your chicken. Stay tuned. Alright, mix those ingredients together guys. We're going to start putting the chicken in one by one. Okay, I'm adding in our hens after mixing all those ingredients together. Alright guys, once you finish mixing, you'll add the Cornish hen to your slow cooker, and then next we're going to add some butter on top of it. Just pour some melted butter all over it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, pour that all over, and then once you do that, you can start adding in your herbs and seasonings.